Today we are going to discuss about the 12th standard Botany, Chapter 8, Environmental Issues. Some important questions we are going to discuss. First question, what is ozone hole? Second one, give examples of plants cultivated in commercial agroforestry. What is known as carbon capture and storage? How do forests help in maintaining the climate? Likewise, what do you mean by plant indicators? Give examples. Instead of these questions, we are going to discuss about the water crisis and advantages of rainwater harvesting. The seventh one, which one gas is most abundant out of the four commonest greenhouse gases? Discuss effect of this gas on the growth of plants. These questions we are going to discuss in this session. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the 12th standard Botany, Chapter 8, Environmental Issues. In this chapter we are going to discuss some important questions. First question, what is known as ozone hole? First, you know about that ozone layer. Ozone layer is the region of Earth's stratosphere that absorb most of the sun's ultraviolet radiations. It's also known as the ozone shield. Here also two types of ozone layers are there. Bad ozone and good ozone layers are there. These layers are affected by some important radiations from sun, that is ultraviolet radiation. This damage this ozone layer, that make a ozone layer in thin, that causes ozone hole. Here you see that the ozone shield is being damaged by the chemicals released on the Earth's surface, notably the chlorofluorocarbons widely used in refrigerations, aerosols, chemicals used as cleaners in many industries. The decline in the thickness of the ozone layer over restricted area is called ozone hole. Give 4 examples of plants cultivation in commercial agroforestry. Some of the major species cultivated in commercial agroforestry included casuarina and eucalyptus. This is casuarina, eucalyptus, malayvembu, teak and kadambu. These are some of the important species, major species cultivated in commercial in agroforestry. What is known as carbon capture and carbon storage? Abbreviated for CCS. Here, carbon capture and storage is a technology capturing carbon dioxide and inject into deep underground rocks into a depth of 1 kilometer or more, and it is an appropriate mitigate global warming by capturing carbon dioxide from large point of sources such as industries, power plants, and subsequently storing instead of releasing into the atmosphere. This is known as carbon capture and storage. How do forests help in maintaining the climate? Nutrient cycling between species improves the organic matter is maintained. Likewise, trees provided microclimate for crops and maintaining oxygen carbon dioxide balance, atmospheric temperature and relative humidity. Likewise, suitable for dry land where the rainfall is minimum, and hence it is good system for alternate land use pattern. These are some important climatic factors due to the forest that maintain this. What do you mean by plant indicators? Give some examples. The presence or absence of certain plant indicate the state of environment. Here, presence or absence of certain plants indicate the state of environment by their response. The plant species or plant community act as a measures of environmental conditions. It is referred as biological indicator or phytoindicators or plant indicators. Here some examples are given here. See that lichens, ficus, pinus, rose. These are the indicator for sulfur dioxide. That is a pollution. Like that, petunia, the indicator of nitrate. Likewise, chrysanthemum also. Next species is gladiolus. That is forage pollutions. Like that. Fourth one, robinia, pseudodicacia, the indicator of heavy metals contaminations. These are all the some pollution. Likewise, plant indicators. Some of them indicating the pollution also. Next, suggest a solution to water crisis and explain its advantages. Rainwater harvesting is the accumulation and storage of rainwater for reuse in site rather than allowing it to run off. Rainwater can be collected from river, rooftops, and the water collected is directed to a deep pit. The water percolates and gets stored in the pit. Rainwater harvesting is a suitable water management practices implemented not only in urban area but also in agricultural field, which is an important economical cost effective method for future. What are the benefits of this? It promotes the adequacy of underground water and water conservation, mitigate the effects of drought, that is varachi, that reduces soil erosion as surface runoff is reduced flood hazards, improves groundwater quality and water table, decreases salinity, no land is wasted for storage purpose, and no population displacement is involved due to water scarcity. Storing water underground is an eco-friendly measures and a part of suitable water storage strategy for local communities. Which one gas is most abundant out of the four commonest greenhouse gases? Discuss the effect of this gas on the growth of plants. It is better well known that the carbon dioxide is the commonest gas. CO2. Coal-based power plants by the burning of fossil fuels for electricity generations from a thermal power station. Likewise, combustion of fuels in the engines of automobiles, commercial vehicles and airplanes like that contribute the most of the global warming. Agriculture practice like stubble burning results in emission of carbon dioxide. Natural from organic matter, volcanoes, likewise warm ocean and sediment.